you're so great, standing, talking, you got me checkmate.
So if you're watching this, it's my second attempt at taking a little video of a place I used to come to when I was a little boy, about 42 years ago. We're just walking up this track to a farm. It used to be called Cheatham's Farm, and there's a pool there, fishing pool, where many years ago my older brother, my dad and I used to go to. They used to fish, and I used to be just a bit of a pain in the backside, to be honest with you. But there were fond memories, and like I say, it's probably been about 42 years since I've been there, so it'd be interesting to take a quick peek. So I'm going to go and have a look. I've not been there for many years, and see what's going on. It is beautiful here. This is gorgeous. This is what I needed.
No one's watching or nothing. I have cleared out the room, also that you can get to be the big spoon. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you.
Given my lack of success with this video camera, I've either had it switched on but had no stabilization, so everything's jumping around, or I've had it with no sound because I forgot to plug in my microphone. I'm hoping the microphone's working now. Touch wood. So I said in the last clip that this is my second visit in 4 days. I was here the day before my birthday, and I'm back again just to retake a little bit of video footage just to show where I went, because it was very windy and I made a mistake. I didn't have this video, so back again. The smell of blossom in the air is absolutely beautiful. You see that tree? So we just walked past what used to be Cheatham's Farm. It's like a little orchard. You smell it? Okay, now we're going to come to the pond I used to go to.
Call me up in a minute. Call me up, set me straight. Pickpocket my eye socket. There's no time to be prude. I let you kidnap my tongue in. I let you measure my waist, and intense fire will take us higher than higher. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh.
Oh, you have to see my face, sorry. Only a quick one anyway. So we've just been to that swimming pool, Cheatham's Pool. Although it's changed its names now, and it's owned by a different fishing club. It used to be owned by Stockport Federation, but it's now owned by Middlewood Fishing Club. So everything changes in 42 years. But it looked remarkably the same, a little bit more overgrown, but very pleasant. There's 2 chaps there who live in the farm just down the road. We were sat having a pleasant afternoon fishing. Caught 5 fish? 7? No, he didn't. Did that chap say he caught 7? He'd caught 4, and his daughter had caught 2. Caught 1, yeah. So not bad productive day. And they one of them anyway lives in a farm down the road which keeps horses. In fact, you'll have either seen them on this video because I took photos of them a few days ago, last time I was here. Anyway, now I'll just swap the camera around. This is where we're heading. This farm track takes us back into some fields that leads us to another wood and another pool, and hopefully we'll get a moment to sit down and grab a sandwich and a drink. Catch you later. So if you can see in the distance there, hopefully with better audio than I did last time I recorded this, you might be able to see Stockport town. Be absolutely minute on this video, but well worth looking. Oh, the one thing you need to be very careful in here is your feet, because there's lots of little sheep parcels all over here, and these shoes were absolutely full of them, so I'm just warning my walking companion. In fact, this place was full of sheep just only 4 days ago, so they've obviously decided to go and graze a little bit further. We can certainly hear them, but I think they're about 2 fields away. Watch your feet. Now, the last time I was here, oh gosh, I thought it was a year ago, but probably about 9 months ago, and I was actually right down the other end of this hill where you can see that tree line there, and I was taking photos and a video shot of sheep that were up here. Very quiet, very peaceful. Yeah, they're all grazing at the top end of this field. Yeah, that sheep has got a big twig stuck in its wool. I'm sure it will fall out, if you can see. Everything looks quite small on this video camera, and there's no zoom on it. You can see the little family of sheep there, with the baby lambs. I think they've only been born a month or so back, and all lying in the shade of the oak tree. Not a bad place really to chill out, to be honest with you, on a day like this. And we are at least blessed with some fantastic weather at the moment. And I'm hoping that with the microphone I've got on today, you can hear more of me, and hear more of me and less of the wind. The main purpose of this was just to go for a nice walk in the country, nice air apart from the sheep smell, and get a bit of sunshine. But there's still a chance of getting a photo of something special. We shall see. Look at those 2 little lambs. Right on the other side. See that black duck? The coot. That's the male, and there's a hen somewhere. And they're living on this pond. We used to call that the island. You see with there, you could actually get to it, and there used to be a fishing pitch, if you call it that. It's not well marked out, but there's like fishing pitches where you put your basket and your rod. In fact, you can see just a little bit further on the other side. Can you see the sort of like the wooden platform? It doesn't look well used at all. It's very shallow, they said. Used to get netted. People would come at night and nick all the fish, net it. And I remember that was always a problem years ago. I don't know whether it still is. Why? Because they steal the fish and then go and put it in there. Yeah. Oh, sorry, I was just having a munch of a sandwich then, and then the sheep and the lamb just came down. Oh, 2 lambs came down to have a drink of water, scuttling back up. Of course, it's a different story when the cows come. They make a hell of a mess when they come to have a drink. and the ree in it. If you were fishing here and the cows come, you'd have your head in your hands, because the cows would all come. They used to come down where those reeds are there, just to the left, and they're basically practically in the water, and then they'd be peeing in it and all sorts. So that would just scare all the fish to death.
Why is it hard on my own? Why am I not like her?
Which one? Oh yeah, he's a bit nosy, isn't he? This chap here. Can you see him? He's having a good nose around. Have you seen his little black patch? Oh, that's marking, isn't it? Yeah, but the others, he's got a yellow patch and a black patch. They're all having fun. I think we need to move over onto this side. My God, that lamb's definitely after some milk off its mum. It's like headbutting it. You head forward. Frisky. I think Mum's telling them to come here very quickly, and they do. Come and have a drink, she's saying. Okay, I'll leave you to it. Yes, that was me tripping over a stump. And another one. I should definitely look where I'm walking rather than where I'm heading to. Okay, so I definitely took a photo here, probably a year ago. Maybe, yeah, a year ago maybe. Loads of sheep rushing across that field.
Why am I not like her? Been more so. Why must the curtains come down? Why must the curtains now? Why am I not like her? Softness in the end. I wish to be something special. In the end, I wish to be so much better. In the end, I wish to be me.
Can you see that? Can you see that there? That heron? Having a drink of water. How beautiful. It is so gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful. I can hear voices, so I'm going to go now and leave it in peace. Well, that was really something. That was really, really beautiful. I was so lucky to catch that heron, and I've just stepped back now away from it. I'll give you a quick He's over there. He's having a nice time. It's peace and quiet, and I'm very glad that I didn't disturb him. This is his place, not mine. I'm just a visitor. So it's quite emotional, really, because this is where I used to play when I was a little kid. To come back in this beautiful weather, in not pleasant circumstances, I know, but it's still beautiful. Just sheep, just across the way there, little lambs running around in the field. Alright, okay. I better get back now. Anyway, thank you for watching this. I hope you enjoyed it. And see you out there.